Hey guys, Duke3D here with another video for you guys, and today I want to do another video relating to my Soviet KR-1U rocket refueling suit. If you haven't checked out that video, I recommend you go ahead and check it out now before you watch this video. I just wanted to make a video on actually wearing the suit because I realized I've made a review on just me laying the suit out and reviewing it, but I haven't actually put it on and showing you what it looks like worn with a protective mask ensemble. So that's going to be the point of this video. And I, once again, will state that I'm very thankful to own at least a fraction of this complete protective set. I only own the jacket and hood assembly. I only know of one other person on YouTube that owns one of these suits, Dan Zodiac. I recommend you go check out his channel if you want to see a full KR-1U suit protective ensemble. I only have the jacket, and so instead of the actual bottoms, I'm going to be substituting a pair of Russian L1 suit chemical bottoms in lieu of the proper KR-1U suit bottoms and boot assembly. So that's a bit unfortunate, but still a very rare piece of equipment to have, and again, I'm very thankful to own it, and I might as well just demonstrate how everything is worn. One forewarning here, this suit, these coveralls that I'm wearing are completely unrelated to the setup. These are just worn to prevent any sweat or moisture from getting all over the interior of the suit and making it difficult to dry off. So that's basically the reason for this. This is completely unrelated to the setup. And you may notice down here, if the camera is picking it up, I have two protective masks that I'm going to be wearing with this ensemble, just because I am not entirely sure what type of protective masks were used with this suit. I am going to assume that Dan Zodiac's setup with the IP4 is the most correct. However, I don't put it past the Russians for possibly using the PRV-U mask with this setup as well, so that could be a possibility. There really is no way to tell for sure because I have very little information on this suit and very little existing documents and photographs. In fact, there are none as far as I know. I'm sure there are some, but none that I've found. So again, if anybody knows any more information on this suit, please feel free to let me know and drop it in the comments below, or drop me a PM or something. So right now, just getting the L1 bottoms on. The left boot's being a bit troublesome here because my heel is caught on something on the inside. That's all fixed, I guess, then. So I'll go ahead and start buttoning her down. If the camera is picking this up, and again, I apologize sincerely for my shoddy camera work here. I really need to get a better camera for doing these reviews. All I have is this crappy GoPro Hero, which isn't the best thing to use when it has a perpetual fisheye effect on it, as most of you may notice by now. So I will go ahead and do up the bottoms. And I've mentioned before, if you haven't watched my L1 suit review, that these L1 bottoms are extremely strange because they use OZK boots patched into them. My L1 is like an amalgamation of L1 and OZK parts patched together with each other. So now, without further ado, let's get on to the actual top itself. So I'll give you one good look at the jacket here. Very interesting. As you can see, it has a built-in hood with this elliptical shaped glass window in a rubber frame. And then basically the material of this jacket is actually much stiffer and somewhat thicker than the L1, but it is manageable for the most part, so I will try and do my best to get it on here. And there you have it. I will get the sleeves rolled back here for the BZ1M gloves. This is the hardest part of the actual donning assembly. These wrist elastic is not very flexible. It's not very easy to work with, sadly, so I may be wrestling with this a little bit. It's especially a bit difficult with gloves on as well, as you may guess. It's already difficult without any gloves, but it is what it is. But I will be putting on protective mask first before I get to gloves. And like I said, I will try and do two protective masks. I'm not sure how good I'll be able to do it while wearing gloves, putting on the second mask, but I will do my best to demonstrate that. So just getting these pre-rolled ahead of time here. I know it looks like I suck at it, but really this is very difficult to do. This is a very stiff material and very, very unmanageable. So get that rolled all the way up. That's good. And I suppose I will start with the PRV-U mask here. First off, let's get that squared away. Let's find that waist strap. Here it is. Bring it around and clip it right on. Now let's don the mask.
And then the hood just goes right over the front. And then of course not to forget the drawstring. And now the gloves. As you can see, it's a bit difficult, but with a bit of effort, I'll be able to get it. There we are, there's the first one. I may run out of camera time soon, so I may have to do one mask for this video, and I'll do a follow-up video with the second mask. And there you have it.
And that is the gist of the KR-1 suit with the PRV-U mask. And I apologize, I don't want to waste camera time here, so I will make a second video coming up very soon here with the IP4, just as a kind of follow-up demonstration. So I'm Duke with 3D, keep a lookout for that second video, and I will see you all later.